And we are back with another new box break. And today, finally, we got ourselves some 2023 Bowman baseball. Love me some Bowman. I just love, the prospects. But it just took me a while to get my hands on some. So we've got two blasters today. As you'll see, Druw Jones and Gunnar Henderson on the cover. I have already taken the packs out like a true gent. But yeah, the big chase this year, at least for a lot of people, is the Druw Jones. So would definitely love to see that. He was the second pick in 2022, so last year. Andrew Jones' son as well. But I'd love to see a Spencer Jones, who's a nice Yankees prospect. Some other names, Junior Caminero of the Rays, Lazaro Montes of the Mariners, Cam Collier of, I think, Cincinnati, Jose De Paula of the Dodgers, Edouard Julien, Matt Mervis of the Cubbies, Justin Crawford, who is Carl Crawford's son. That's another one. And then a couple pitchers, Kyle Harrison for the Giants, and Ben Brown, who I believe is a Cubby. But without any further ado, like we always do about this time, let's rip into some beautiful packs of Bowman baseball. And let's see what we can get. All right. So we got Lindor from the jump. Garrett Mitchell, rookie. Nolan Gorman, rookie. Not a bad one there. Michael Harris, the second rookie card. So sweet one. Vladdy. Rafael Devers. And Rookie of the Year favorites. Shea Langoliers. That's a cool insert. Put that aside. And then first Bowman paper of Dylan O'Ray. Brock Jones, first Bowman paper. Austin Charles, first Bowman paper. Axel Sanchez, Bowman Chrome, first Bowman. And Wilbur Sanchez, first Bowman Chrome. So, make a couple different piles here. All right, next pack, 2023 Bowman baseball. I'm hoping we'll be able to find a spotlight insert. I think you see one per 18 packs. So hopefully we'll get one of those. Those are very cool. And then there's the Invicta inserts, which are very rare. So we probably won't see one of those. But Nick Prado, rookie. Miguel Cabrera. Oscar Gonzalez, rookie. Vaughn Grissom, rookie. Logan O'Hoppe, rookie. And we've got Bowman Scouts Top 100, Austin Wells, number 57. And he is a Yankee, so that's pretty cool. Put that aside. Jacob Berry, first Bowman Chrome paper. Brooks Lee. Miguel Blias. Pedro Ramirez, first Bowman Chrome. And Angel Genoa, first Bowman Chrome. And I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of these rookies up on stage just to kind of give us a little something to look at back there. Who was the other one? Vaughn Grissom. We can go ahead and throw up there, I guess. All right. And then we'll throw this Langoliers, because that's a pretty cool card. All right, back into the packs. Of course, there is an Adley Rutschman rookie card in this set, so that would be great. Yoshida as well for the Red Sox. That'd be a good one. But we've already seen some of the good names. Outman, James Outman's in here. Josh Jung. Oscar Gonzalez, rookie. We just saw that one. Vaughn Grissom again. Okay, so we got to do... Oh, there's the Outman. So that's not a bad one. Arenado. J-Rod. That's a pretty cool base card. J-Rod. And we got the Riley Green Rookie of the Year favorites. Rookie card, that's cool. We're going to go ahead and put him over the other one we got. A little bit better name there. Robert Perez Jr., first Bowman card paper. Carlos Jorge, first Bowman card paper. Michael Deason. Gularte. And Abdias de la Cruz are the chrome versions of the first Bowman. All right. Next pack. Le'Veon Soto rookie. Brett Beatty rookie. It's another good rookie. Stanton. Peguero rookie. Herrera rookie. And Corey Seager. And these are cool. This is another good insert. Sights on September. We got Colton Cowser. So that's pretty cool. Susac, first Bowman Chrome paper. Lionel James. And Jorge Burgos. And for the Chrome, we got Jackson Holiday and Gavin Cross. And this is a parallel. I'm not sure what they're calling it. Green. I don't know if this is the green. If it is, it probably is. But Gavin Cross. So, because it's a parallel, I'll go ahead and put it up. It's not a first Bowman card, though. Or, yeah, first Bowman. But, oh well. All right, second to last pack of the first blaster of 2023 Bowman Baseball. Off the jump, Brandon Crawford, J.D. Martinez, Salvador Perez, Tovar rookie, Hunter Green, D.L. Hall rookie, and we've got Kyle Manzardo, Bowman Scouts Top 100, and he is the number 80 prospect. Encarnacion, Juan Alonso, and Gabriel Gonzalez. And for our Chromes, Churio and Martin Gonzalez. All right, final pack of the first blaster. Chris Bryant, Bobby Witt Jr., Yelich, Langoliers rookie card, Liberatore rookie card, Cade Cavalli rookie card, and Sights on September, Marco Luciano. It's a pretty cool looking one. We got Gabriel Martinez first Bowman Chrome paper, Mesa, and Yanquiel Fernandez. Jorge Burgos, first Bowman Chrome, and Christian Hernandez. There's another green one. Put him up there. All right, we are now on to the second box. I go ahead and get Cowser up here. Good looking card right there. The Austin Wells, like so. All right, pack number one of box number 2. 2023 Bowman Baseball. Let's see if we can find a Spencer or Druw Jones. Got, all right, let's do it this way, I guess. Ivan Herrera rookie. Corey Seager, Crawford, J.D. Martinez, Salvador Perez, Tovar rookie. And let's just flip it. It is Modern Prospects, Joshua Baez. And it says Rare Bird. It's kind of cool. Churio, James Wood, Brady House, Max Wagner, first Bowman Chrome, and Encarnacion, first Bowman Chrome. So these are all set up a little different. Votto, Matt Olson, Soto rookie, Beatty rookie again, Stanton again, Peguero rookie again, and sights on September, Valera, Alex Ramirez, Ballesteros, first Bowman paper, Jose de Paula. That's one of the better names prospect-wise we were looking for. So that's a good one. I like that. And then for the Bowman Chrome, Andres Mesa and Ruben Santana is the green. All right. Be nice to see that Adley rookie as well. Not that it's probably worth anything too crazy, but Nolan Arenado, Gabriel Marino, Jazz Chisholm Jr. It's a pretty cool card. Freddie Freeman, Riley Green rookie, Jose Ramirez, and we've got a Jacob Berry, Bowman Scouts Top 100, number 36. So put him down there. Jordan Lawler, Junior Caminero. There's another one. Just paper, but that's another one of the names we were kind of looking for. Hector Rodriguez, Yasser Mercedes, Bowman Chrome, and Hector Rodriguez, Bowman Chrome first. All right. Looks like we have 3 packs left for the break. Still no Druw Jones or Spencer Jones or Caminero. Or no, we did get the Caminero, that's right. Montes or Collier we have not seen. All right, we got Acuna Jr. base. Vinny Pasquantino. Judge, that's sweet. Jordan Diaz, Juan Soto. And then we've got Brett Beatty, Rookie of the Year favorites. That's pretty cool. Andres Mesa, Fernandez. We got Brooks Lee, Bowman Chrome, and Roderick Arias, Bowman Chrome. Second to last pack. It looks like we got a spotlight, so that's cool. I was really hoping to get one of those. O'Ray, Brooks Lee again, Blease, Justin Crawford, nice, in the chrome, so that's sweet. Braylon Bishop, first Bowman Chrome, and Michael Harris II is our spotlight, so that is super sweet. Happy about that one. Yoshida rookie, that was one of the rookies we were kind of hoping for. Groshans, Betts, Baez, Rosario, and Kyle Stowers ends that pack. Those spotlight cards are just so sweet. All right, time for some last pack romance. And let's see, Spencer Jones, Druw Jones. Will you come calling? I don't even care if it's paper, to be honest with you. And number 21 prospects, Pete Crow Armstrong, Yordan Alvarez, Garcia rookie, Garrett Cole, Wallner rookie, Manny Machado, Goldsmith, Matt Mervis. That's one of the names we were looking for. And there's the Justin Crawford paper, first Bowman. Ortega, Bowman Chrome, and Jorge Ruiz, Bowman Chrome first. So we struck out on the 2 Joneses, but we definitely got some decent names here, or prospects, I should say. Justin Crawford, got the paper and the chrome. Matt Mervis, Caminero. We got the De Paula. So happy about those. We got some of the better rookie cards to get. We did not get the Adley. But yeah, love these cards. I'll definitely have to be doing some more. The best thing is you put these away, you come back to them in like, 3-4 years and see what you've got. I would say this is probably the highlight of the break. This spotlight insert of Michael Harris II. Definitely like that. And then here were the green. I think these were all the greens we got, the green parallels. But anyways, let me know what I missed, because I'm sure I did. There were a lot of cards to digest there. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, we shall most certainly do this again soon. And we are out.